first one.
Well, you'd have to down that first one and then go for your next one.
On the first
Well,
bird.
I'll down
We're
half.
doing 3 minutes.
Do you want a sausage?
Are we doing 3 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you want to press the start when she does her first bird.
I'll give you the okay, right?
No, we just press OK when you bird.
Yeah.
And then I'll hand it over to you and you'll watch for 3 minutes to be up.
Okay, right, give me a minute.
Oh, it's a bit close.
It's gone dark,
Give us a
it's
sec.
alright.
In a minute, I'm doing your mummy
I
first.
can do it on here, don't worry about it.
What screen's gone
Okay.
dark, I can't see them.
Get ready.
Yeah, I'll do this timing. Look.
Hang on, press OK then.
You have to press the okay button, right? Wait a minute.
Not yet.
I'll let you know when the first one's coming. Go!
Are you on?
Yeah.
Oh, it's working.
What? Press.
Okay. Yeah, it's alright doing that.
Okay.
That was people. Okay, hang on a sec.
I'll give you extra one. Okay, put that in.
What an attractive lady.
Yes,
Oh, girl, I've just got you in.
Oh, don't bother. Or did I miss one?
Well, if it's recorded,
Okay, give us a sec.
if it's
My eyes are watering.
if it's being recorded, it doesn't matter because you can
Yeah, you might need a
read a recount.
Okay. He's burning off.
1 minute.
Oh, just sick.
Do you need a bucket?
That was bog rocking on me.
That was two.
That was 3. That was definitely.
She followed through there.
She got followed through.
Come on, hurry up. You're falling behind. That's 2.
Okay, just give me a sec.
Oh, got itchy now.
Come on, do some action. Time's
Wait a
running
minute, just
out.
wait a minute.
Time's running
Just wait a second. Wait.
Time's running
Oh,
out.
shut up.
That was a messy one, that was.
It's potentially very messy. My eyes are streaming. And relax.
2 minutes.
You're only getting 50p. This is feeble.
Bitch.
Oh, go on, carry on. Oh. Oh. Ah!
Got 2 on 1.
There's a one.
She doesn't look very well, does she?
I don't feel very well.
She'll look even worse in a minute, don't worry.
Is there anything happening the other end?
No.
Do they not count?
No.
Oh. I'm good at I could have done that.
Let the
Time's
nausea
nearly
subside.
up.
It's okay.
Oh, it's gone off!
Oh, don't worry about it.
Missed the finale, my next.
Should be worth 2, that one, shouldn't
3
it?
minutes. 3 minutes.
That's it.
Right.
Time's over.
Oh dear, that was horrible. Leaf Mark 2 because the other one went tits up. This is Phil.
But Chinese.
Hello.
Right, this is David.
Say
David.
Say hello then.
Say hello.
Look at the camera.
Oh. See Alec. There you go.
Say hello.
Give us a
then.
smile.
Curry, black bean sauce.
No. Oh, all right. Never mind. Right. Over here we've got Sue, and we've got Mikey. There we go. And then we've got Gail running out the door, so I'm going to chase her. Turn round, you bloody woman.
Somebody's nicked me fag.
And Lucy, there she is. Right. Oh, hang on, I'll get Gail again. Where's my husband? Oh, there he is. Hang on, right. Wait a minute. There he is.
All right.
There we go. There's his, look, there's his willy.
Oh.
There we go. Oh, let's go again. Oh. Now she's found her fags. She found her fags, and here is the whole thing.
I had that.
There we go. Right. Hopefully this time it won't go tits up.
They do it with potato and they do it with chickpeas.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it's called now.
Have you been to Michael's?
No.
You've not been to Michael's or got the takeaway?
No.
In Thornton?
No.
I've been loads. I went